Alright, I'm going to give you another tour of my brand new drum set that I got this Christmas. I got a PDP X7 in all black. And it's the nicest kit I've ever had. So you can see X7. And that right there came from my old drum set right there. But it works. Okay. I'll start off, and I'm going to have a sound test too. So my drums may not be in tune, but they sound good to me. Okay, hold on one second. We'll start off with my hi-hats. They're same ones, Peisty PST 14-inch. And I got the same splash. It's broken though. You can't really see, but it's a nice crack. There you go. Now you still can't really see it, but it's along the valve. This one, this is a Sabian XS20 16-inch crash. It's got a few small cracks in it, but it still sounds pretty good. And my favorite cymbal that I got this Christmas too is a Sabian AAX Explosion 18-inch crash. Okay, this is gotten rid of a few cymbals and or cracked them, and I've replaced them. And this is a Sabian XS20 20-inch Rock Ride. I would definitely recommend this ride. And it's for beginners, pros, everyone. And this is a one I upgraded to. It says Sabian XS20 18-inch China. Okay, now on to the best part of the tour, my drums. Okay, this is a 8-inch tom with moon gel. A 10-inch tom with moon gel on it. By the way, all of them have Evans EC2 SST clear heads, and they have stock heads on the bottom. This is a 12-inch tom, and this doesn't have moon gel on it. It has the Aquarian Studio ring, the dampening rings on them. This is a 13-inch tom from my old drum set, and this also has one of the dampening rings on it. And my two floor toms, just a 14-inch. I don't really like there's too much resonant on it. I have to turn the bottom head down some. And my 16-inch also has a dampening ring on it. And my snare drum, this has a Evans Genera HD Dry on it. This is probably the best snare drum head I've ever used. So There's and this has stock head on the bottom. My bass drum, I got the DW3000s, and said in my last video I was probably going to update and whatever. Still hadn't got enough money. I just decided to get this drum set instead of buying pedals. They're okay, but I want to upgrade to DW5000 or Access pedals or something like that. But my bass drum, it came with a little small pedal. You can't really see it, but it's inside there. And the head is a Evans EMAD 2 with a big foam ring in there and a Aquarian double kick pad. And it's stock resonant head. And here we go. Alright, now I'm going to do sort of a drum solo, so don't expect the best. Hold on, let me get this adjusted. Okay. This is all improvised right now too, so. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to really say, but the sticks I'm using is Permark 5B, and my stands, really, they're mainly all PDP stands, except this one came with my other kit. It's a Ludwig cymbal stand. The attachment is Gibraltar. That boom stand is PDP. That is another boom stand, that's PDP. This one is a straight PDP boom stand, it's on my ride, and this one came with my drum set, my old drum set. That's a Ludwig one. But other than that, thanks for watching. And if you got any questions, send me a message and comment, rate. Thanks a lot for watching.